Okay, so today we're going to talk about nude lipsticks, and I'm going to tell you my favourite nudes, okay? I do feel that I never used to wear nude ever, because I'm always a red lipstick girl, absolutely through and through. But I do find that, I don't know, as I'm getting a little bit older, I'm kind of wearing more nudes. I'll never get rid of the red, don't get me wrong, but I am wearing more nudes. So I'm just going to show you the nudes that I wear, okay? Because there's millions out there, isn't there? Right, so the first two, the first one I've got on, which I love, is this one by NYX. I think it's about £7, and it's called Brunch Me. It's a gorgeous colour, just goes with anything. It's so wearable, okay? Love that. I love the little case with the heart. I love this one, which is Bare Minerals Bare Pro, called Spice. Again, just such a brilliant colour, okay? Really like the consistency of that one. I love Bare Minerals. This is called Spark Plug, and it's a gloss. And it's one of their Moxie glosses, and it's got peppermint in, so it's meant to make your lips look fuller. But I use that on so many people; it seems to suit everybody. Okay, Spark Plug. I love these two by Studio 10. One is called Tea Room. One's called Peach, and one's called Tea Rose. Both of these, one's a bit pinker than the other one. So there's that one. So there's just a real hint of colour. And then this one's pinkier. Okay, really nice, both of those. And then if I fancy a little bit of gloss, which I don't often because I do, you know, when the hair sticks to it, I don't really like that. But this one I use on loads of people. And if I'm going to wear any, then it's this colour, which is the Kiko Hydra Gloss in number 6. Okay, just love that salmony colour. And then one of my all-time favourites is an Estee Lauder one, and it's number 213. And I can't find this anywhere to replace this, so I'm kind of saving it. It's a really lovely, warm, taupey, nudie colour. The replacement I've got is 124. But it's a little bit too pink, still very pretty, but a little bit too pink. The other one's warmer brown. So they are my favourite nudie lip glosses in my lovely pink blush, we call her, blush makeup bag. Let me know which is your favourite one. I know that Rimmel's got the Kate Moss range, which I love as well. There's just so many nudes. How do you choose one?